Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Let's Learn English.
Good morning, everyone. Today I want to talk about my day. I will tell you everything step by step. It was a long day, but it was also a good day. I am a man with many responsibilities, and every day I try to do my best. I woke up at 5:30 in the morning. My alarm rang loudly. At first I felt very sleepy. My eyes were heavy, and my body wanted to stay in bed. However, I remembered my goals, so I decided to get up immediately. I do not like to waste time in the morning. I believe that starting early helps me have a productive day. First, I went to the bathroom. I washed my face with cold water. The cold water helped me wake up. Then I brushed my teeth and looked at myself in the mirror. I told myself, today will be a good day. Stay strong and stay focused. After that, I took a quick shower. The warm water relaxed my body, and I started to feel more awake and ready. Next, I got dressed for the day. I chose comfortable clothes. I like to feel comfortable because I have a long schedule. After getting dressed, I prepared my bag. I checked that I had everything I needed. I do not like to forget important things. Being organized is very important to me. At 7 in the morning, I started teaching my English class. I enjoy teaching English because I like helping people learn. Today we practiced basic conversations. We practiced greetings like, hello, how are you? And nice to meet you. We also practiced simple grammar like the verb to be. I tried to speak slowly and clearly so my students could understand. Sometimes they made small mistakes, but that is normal. Mistakes are part of learning. I felt proud because they tried their best. After my class finished, I went to work at the office. I work in an accounting office. My job is to organize documents, check numbers, and review reports. In the morning, I checked invoices and entered information into the computer. I had to be very careful because numbers are important. One small mistake can cause a problem. I focused on my work and tried to stay calm. At 1 in the afternoon, I had lunch. I was very hungry. I ate a simple meal. I also drank water because it is important to stay hydrated. During lunch, I relaxed for a few minutes. I looked at my phone, answered some messages, and took a deep breath. Sometimes the day feels busy, so short breaks are important. After lunch, I returned to work. The afternoon felt longer than the morning. Sometimes I felt tired, but I continued working. I reminded myself that hard work is necessary if I want to succeed. I finished my tasks one by one. When I completed everything, I felt satisfied. At 5 in the afternoon, I left the office and went to the gym. Going to the gym is very important to me. I want to be strong and healthy. Today, I trained with weights. I did exercises for my chest and arms. The workout was not easy. My muscles felt tired, and I was sweating a lot. However, I did not stop. I pushed myself to finish all my sets. I believe discipline is more important than motivation. Even when I feel tired, I continue. After the gym, I went back home. I felt very tired, but it was a good kind of tired. It was the feeling of a man who worked hard all day. I took a shower and changed into comfortable clothes. Then I had dinner. My dinner was simple but good. I like to eat healthy food because I want to take care of my body. Later at night, I spent some time thinking about my goals. I want to improve my English every day. I want to grow my YouTube channel. I want to become more confident. Sometimes progress is slow. but I understand that success takes time. I believe that small daily actions create big results in the future. Before going to bed, I felt grateful. I was grateful for my job, my students, my health, and my opportunities. Not every day is perfect, but every day is a chance to improve. I told myself again, keep going, do not give up. Finally, I went to bed. My body was tired, but my mind felt calm. I knew that I did my best. Tomorrow, I will wake up again at 5:30. I will teach again, work again, train again, and continue building my future. This is my routine, this is my life, and I am proud of it. That was my day. Thank you for listening. I hope you have a great day too. Remember, stay focused, stay disciplined, and never stop working for your dreams. And clearly and slowly, we really appreciate your effort and your dedication to learning and teaching English. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it. It helps a lot. Also, subscribe to our channel, Let's Learn English. Clicking the bell icon is very important too. It will notify you whenever we upload a new lesson. This way, you will never miss any English learning videos. Learning English takes time, but consistency is key. And we are here to help you every step of the way. We encourage you to repeat the phrases and words you heard today. You can pause the video, repeat after the speaker, and try to say the sentences slowly. This is a very good exercise for listening and speaking. The more you practice, the better you will become. Remember, mistakes are normal, so don't be afraid to try. Every small effort counts, and step by step, you will improve your English skills. Also, feel free to leave comments below. You can write what you learned today, or any questions you have. We love to read your comments and answer them. Your participation makes our channel even better. Remember, learning English is not only about listening and repeating, it's also about using the words in real situations. The more you practice, the faster you will see progress. Finally, thank you again for joining us today. We hope you had fun and learned a lot. Stay motivated, stay confident, and keep practicing English every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for all updates. We will see you in the next video with more English lessons. Have a great day and happy learning!